Cruising down the boulevard, it's the perfect day. Got my ride looking rough, gotta wash it away. 2-1 South MLK, Magnolia is the spot. Quick stop, car wash, they give it all they've got. Hand washing, detailing, that's how we roll. Professional crew making your car whole. Feel the good vibes while they scrub and shine. Friendly faces, always on the line. Wash it